Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the size guide on SHEIN. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First of all, simply go ahead and open your SHEIN application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, all you need to do is, for example, let me just say I am getting this dress for my wife. What I can do is scroll all the way down and then click on size guide right over here. And now this is how we can go ahead and see it. So the product measurements are going to be shown here. You can simply choose your fit type or your body size type as well right over here. So for example, let me just show you. As you can see, this is true to size. This is how you can go ahead and review the fit, as you can see. So these are pretty clear when it comes to go ahead and choose it. So as you can see, I can also go ahead and choose the fit type differently. As you can see, there's regular, there's skinny, there's oversized, there's also non-stretch. And this is how the buyers have actually made the product measurements and then just updated the true size. So when you purchase it, S is going to come in 90.5 on bust, 70.0 on waist size, and 69.5 by 88 on length, as you can see. And these are the sizes right over here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and